If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. Welcome back. We have learned how to handle variables in Swift from the previous lesson. So let's try some simple calculations using variables. I'm going to make a variable called sum that will store the sum of my number and 100. Congratulations, you wrote a line of code for a simple addition. I'm going to assign variable sum to a string variable called output. What will happen? Oops, we got an error. Cannot convert value of type int to specified type string. That means we cannot assign an integer value to a string variable. Basically, a string means collection of characters that is enclosed with the double quotes. How to get rid of this error? We need to convert the integer value to string type by using string of variable name. Okay, it's time to another exercise. Complete this exercise and come back. We have to declare 3 variables to store each number. We can name it as number1, number2 and number3 respectively. Initialize sum1 to 0. This will hold sum of 3 numbers. Finally, we need to print sum1. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice coding.